Go!
I'm Cheyenne, and I am about to put one sock into the other using my feet.
Oh!
Crap, that is nice.
Now this is a really good job.
Why's your hands moving?
Shut up.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh!
Uh-oh.
How could you
She
do
got
this?
monkey
This
toes.
is really awesome.
Seneca,
Now check
move.
this
So
out.
my
This is
feet.
awesome.
She got monkey feet. Whoa. Oh.
Come on, is that it? How could she do that?
I know. Lift up the socks, lift them up in your hand, and then unravel them.
Oh.
That was sick.
Oh.